Great job, Bostonians, on both swearing the least and lying the most on online sites. So anyway, give us a call in your native patois. The number to call is 1-888-WAIT. Wait, that's 1-888-924-8924. Now let's welcome our first listener contestant. Hi, you're on Wait, don't tell me.
Hi, this is Sarah Rowe, and I'm calling from McAllen, Texas.
Hey, McAllen, Texas. How are things there?
Colder than they have been, but warmer than most of the country.
Yeah, that's true. I'm glad you recognize that before you start complaining to us here in Boston. Sarah, let me introduce you to our panel this week. First, a comedian you can see on his nationwide stand-up tour, including right here in Boston on Thanksgiving weekend. Tickets at info@joshgondolfin.com. It is Josh Gondolfin. Hey! Next, the syndicated advice columnist behind Ask Amy, whose Substack newsletter has been called the coziest content on the internet. It's Amy Dickinson. And finally, a comedian you can see at Side Splitters Comedy Club in Tampa, Florida, November 3rd through the 6th. It's Alonzo Bowden.
Hello.
Hey, Sarah, welcome to the show. You're going to play Who's Bill? This time, Bill Curtis is going to read just 3 quotations from this week's news. If you can correctly identify or explain just 2 of them, of course you'll win our prize. Any voice from our show you might choose. Ready to play?
I'm ready.
All right, your first quote comes from British Prime Minister Liz Truss on Wednesday.
I'm a fighter, not a quitter.
What did Liz Truss do on Thursday?
She stepped down as Prime Minister of UK.
Yes, she quit. Her prime ministership lasted 6 weeks. She probably had just gotten her work email set up. Her problem was she hadn't been in the job long enough. She didn't get to the part of the onboarding video where they say, don't destroy the economy.
Wednesday night must have been like a hell of a night. I'm not a quitter. Hi, it's Thursday. I quit. Wednesday was a tough night.
She was visited by 3 ghosts.
I think it was 2 ghosts, and the future one didn't show up, and she got the hits.
This is amazing, and is well known and all over the world. The Daily Star tabloid in Britain put up, when she became prime minister, a live feed of a head of lettuce to see which would last longer, the unrefrigerated head of lettuce or Truss as prime minister. So the lettuce has won, and will be sworn in as prime minister.
That's real. That is, it hurts also because the head of lettuce is the most flavorful food Britain has to offer.
True.
But because if that were true, they could have put her up. We're comparing against a durable vegetable. She's outlasted several avocados. A banana or 2. Yeah, give her credit.
Right. Yeah.
Had she beaten lettuce, would she brag about it?
Probably.
Would you be like, well, one thing I've accomplished is I
That's all she would have.
The Tories in the UK are really putting American conservatives to shame, right? Because our Republicans won't accept the results of an election that they lost. The Tories barely accept the results of an election that they won.
Here, Sarah, is your next quote.
Symptoms include cranking up the volume on the radio.
That was the Wall Street Journal talking about signs you may need some helpful accessory that is now, for the first time, available over the counter. What?
That would be hearing aids.
You're right, hearing aids now available over the counter. Or, according to reporting by your dad, they just said something about a counter. By the way, you may be upset that a man of my age is making fun of people needing hearing aids, but the joke is on you because I cannot hear you booing.
I can't wait for a bunch of commercials where they actually lower the volume. They will.
It's so strange to me that you couldn't get them over the counter before. You had to have a prescription.
I know.
It's actually like pretty. I mean, what are they selling? Is it like an ear trumpet? Is it like a sophisticated thing?
No, it was because of the influence of big ear.
My grandfather had that.
You had to go to an audiologist. If you couldn't hear, you go to an audiologist. You'd say hello. If you didn't say anything back, you could say, yeah, you really can't hear. That was their process. They're upset. They're like, well, good luck figuring out what hole it goes in.
In California, you could get recreational hearing aids for like the last 5 or 6 years.
I got a diagnosis.
Yeah.
You get a card. Yeah, they're really easy to get.
Yeah, you would go to a doctor. You'd be like, sometimes things are too quiet in your prescription.
No, the coolest thing is now that they're sort of deregulated, well-established tech companies who make audio equipment like Sony and Bose can now compete in the spaces, they say, to make the coolest hearing aids. I personally am going to hold out until they come out with What? By Dre. This opens the door to so many things being available over the counter. Do you really need a professional to do that colonoscopy? You went on a drugstore, get your own colon snake for $19.99.
I had one date that was kind of like that once.
Josh,
I was going to
realize you're on NPR.
I didn't say how it was like that.
Here's your last quote. It was a late-night host berating the servers at a New York restaurant this week.
You can't do your job. You can't do your job.
So who was it? Do you know?
That's James Corden.
It was James Corden. Very good. James Corden got banned by the owner of the restaurant Balthazar for repeatedly yelling at the waitstaff. The problem is he kept saying, don't you know who I am? And they were like, you know. The bigger issue here, though, is that the order, he was so mad that the staff had screwed up an all-yolk omelet.
Literally heart attack on a plate.
Literally heart attack on a plate. Can you imagine being stuck in a carpool karaoke with somebody who just ate like 15 eggs? And apparently the omelet, his complaint was that it had a little bit of white, just a little bit, and that came dangerously close to it being an omelet.
Now I'm wishing I had done his show because I don't have any white in me.
Oh my god.
I mean, that's a terrible way to treat someone, but it would have been worse if it was John Oliver who would come with 18 minutes of facts about why you're bad at your job. It would have been ruthless.
I would love to see James Corden just send him down to a Waffle House and have him yell at that waitress she can't do her job.
Yeah.
Let's see how that turns out, James.